Greetings. Welcome to the Lookout on Outlook series, brought to you by the Division of Technology Services at the University of Wisconsin, River Falls. Today we're going to be on the lookout on Outlook for using the search function within the calendar. We'll take a look at three different versions of the application. We'll look at Office Outlook 2010 on the Windows side. We'll look at Office Outlook 2011 on the Mac side, and we'll look at the OWA or Office Outlook web app. And so first let's take a look at the calendar here. Log in. This is the Windows version, and on the lower left side click on the calendar button so that we can view our calendar. There is a little search field up here, and this is called the search suggestion list. Once I click in there and begin typing in, you'll see three boxes come out down below here to suggest what I want to search, what field I want to search on. So if I want to search on the site admin, you'll see I get the subject, organization, and other things, and I can click on that and it automatically searches for the site admin just in the subject line. I'm going to close this and show you something else. I can also click in here, and without typing anything, I can filter by the refined icons up here, and I can use subject here. Once I click on subject, it highlights the keyword that I would type in for the subject, and here I can type in site admin and I receive the same results. And that's pretty neat. What I want to show you here is the difference between these two search functions. Notice I have the ribbon up here. Once I click into the suggested list, I automatically get the search contextual tab. And now this particular tab with all the search icons and functions does not appear until I click in this box over here. So once I close that, you'll see that tab is not there at all. So that's how you can refine some of your items within the Windows version. Let's take a look at what the Mac version would look like. I've got a couple of clips here in pictures from the Mac version. So if I log into the Mac version, I similarly have the same type of setup. On the top right, I would have this suggestive list here, and I could begin typing in some of the words here. And then once I do that, I will automatically receive the contextual search tab, and you can see this is very similar to the Windows version. And then I can sort on different things once I've got the search results. So I could sort by subject or start date, end date, and put things in chronological order to make it easier for me to find. Let's take a look at what OWA would look like. And if I come out here, I'm logged into the Outlook web app. In the particular calendar, though, I really don't have a search feature. So if I click on the lower left-hand side down below, you'll see that the menu and contextual items up here, there's really not a search up there. There's a view of looking at things from the reading pane, but I really don't have a search suggestion list or a search refiner here. So I'm going to go and use the Mail tab on the lower left, and remember that Outlook is the relationship between Outlook, email, and calendars combined. So anytime I want to search on something, whether it be on my calendar or within the email folders, as long as it resides in the email folder somewhere, I will be able to search and find results on it. So that's where all of our appointments and our meetings and items from the calendar sit. They are actually in some mailbox. So I'm going to try to search on that. I have this chevron here, which is the double arrow. Normally this is default to collapsed position. So if I want to do some different searching, I could actually just type in here. So if I could just type in admin, site admin here, and then hit my search magnifying glass, it will come up and show me things. Now you see these are just all emails here. But let's say I wanted to see something a little closer. I'm going to close this and refine that. I'm going to open up the little chevron here, and you can see I can search in different areas. So I'm going to type in site admin again, and this time I'm going to show the results in either subject message or just the subject. I'm going to choose just the subject, and to refine it even more so that I don't get a list of all of my listservs that have site admin in them. I just want to see appointments and meetings on my particular calendar. I'm going to say that I want to search for all messages that are sent to me, and I'm going to put my email address in there. This way I won't have, or I will have filtered different areas so that I won't receive so much clutter. Okay? Let's see how this works. And then I'm not going to use a category. And now I'll search on this and you'll see a little bit of a change here. And there we go. There's an icon that shows me this is a particular calendar item. And so these are actual email items, but since the relationship of the email is tied to the calendar, these will also automatically show up. And I could do some sorting and arrange them and show them in different areas that way. And there you have it.